And I trust that she is remorseful, and I do not expect her to behave this way again.
All right, people against Deborah Ann Lennox, 25F 244-672. Ma'am, can you tell me your name, please?
Deborah Ann Lennox.
Attorney Mike Baldwin, House Counsel P 65417 on behalf of Ms. Lynch.
She pled to retail fraud. The agreement was it would be taken under 771.1. She was referred for a pre-sentence report. Have you had a chance to review that report with her, and are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
Yes and no.
Okay.
Very briefly, Your Honor, my client has one prior driving related offense about, I believe, 20 years ago. But aside from that, she has no marked criminal conviction history. One of the things that stands out with my client from day one, and now that she's fled, I can say it, is she's disgusted with her behavior. She is really being hard on herself. And that's important because it shows that she cares. She cares about herself, about her personal dignity, about her impact on society when we talk about property theft crimes. And I feel that she's going to be a very good candidate for the delayed sentence. She is actually, I think, is being harder on herself than the court could ever be. And I trust that she is remorseful, and I do not expect her to behave this way again. Moreover, I do believe that provision 3 of the recommendation is paramount to ensuring that she have a psychiatric evaluation for mental health considerations to maybe get to the question of why she did this, and leave it to the mental health professionals. I have nothing else to add. I think she'll do well, and I wish her the best.
Anything you would like to say, ma'am?
Well, I don't know, sorry is the word for it, I just, I don't want to go through this again, and I swear to God, I'll never do it again. I would like to look into why I even did something like that. I don't know if it's depression or what it is, something's not the same with me. I'm willing to do whatever will prove that I won't do it again.
Have you ever gone through mental health treatment? You think you need to see a professional?
I don't know if it's like mental, but I've been going through a lot personally and suffering with, I seem to think some kind of, I don't know if it's depression or what, it's just the way I feel about life has just been different.
So you want me to order you to go through a psychiatrist?
What does that entail? I don't understand.
You can do it on your own if you wish. The judge is asking, would you like the judge to order the court to order you to do it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't usually,
What is
listen, just let me finish a second. I don't usually leave it to defendants to sentence themselves. Okay? But you're 64, 5 years old. You had the drunk driving that you were convicted of, the impaired in 2002. I read your letter that you sent me. You sound remorseful. Everybody makes mistakes. I'll be happy to order you to undergo psychiatric evaluation if you want me to. Otherwise, I'm not sure it's necessary, but I will do that.
Well, I think I would just wanted the sources for someone, for me to be able to talk to.
Your Honor, I think that is a very good point, that if it's court ordered, there are public resources through our
How
government.
about if I just order personal counseling? That's what I'm,
You have insurance
No.
there. If you order, I think we may be able to utilize the public resources that are available through the probation department because she doesn't have, you don't have social security.
calling Jessica real quick. Please.
This is here just started, so I don't have all
The benefits.
Right.
Okay.
Let me leave that until I talk to probation, okay? In the meantime, have I let you finish with everything? I'm sorry. I'm speaking low. There's nobody else in here. I apologize. I'm gonna call probation. I'm prepared to go start your sentence. I want to talk to them about what would be available. And we'll go from there. Is that fair? Do you want to say anything else?
But I'm sorry.
You certainly seem remorseful about the whole thing. Like I said, I read your letter this morning and I'm gonna go ahead and place you on probation for 6 months. They recommended 6 to 12 under section 771.1. This will be dismissed if you're compliant. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. Your name?
Jessica on behalf of probation.
Do you recommend, they're recommending psychiatric evaluation. I don't know that it's necessary. She doesn't have a lot of resources, it sounds like. She has no insurance. You're not on Medicare yet?
No.
Not yet.
If I ordered personal counseling, is there somebody that's going to pay,
So she can call the 1-800 number, the Detroit Wayne Mental Health Authority, and they may be able to assist her with that, given that she doesn't have insurance.
I'm not gonna order it, ma'am. If you want to do it, you do it, okay? You're not to enter 27327 Telegraph Flat Rock or any other Dollar Tree store. You're to serve 4 hours of community service. I'm gonna give you until November 20th. Pay fines 50, costs 50, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment for 2 1/4. I'm not going to charge you attorney fees. You don't have the funds. $60 screening fee for 285. Probation fees are 120 for a total of 405. You pay that. You stay away from Dollar Tree store and any other Dollar Tree store. And you come back on your review hearing date. You do your 4 hours community service. Prosecutor will move to dismiss. And I will dismiss. Do you understand all that? All right. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. Your 771 status revoked. Conviction remain on your record and you'd be subject to a 90-day jail term. You have 21 days to appeal this. You have 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have some of this money to pay today?
How much is it?
405.
I have half to it probably.
You pay $200 today.
Then where would I pay the rest? Because I get my social security like in the middle of the month.
Okay. You pay $200 today, you pay $50 monthly starting October the 20th. We'll make it the 25th, okay? Okay, wait a minute. And the 25th of every month thereafter until paid in full. If something happens, you don't have the money, you call the court, we'll go on Zoom, or you can walk in here on or before any due date, 8:30. I'll be more than happy to give you an extension. I don't care how many times we have to do it. Just don't ignore me.
Can we date, Your Honor?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Thank you. Lisa, what about you?
March 19th of 26 at 9 o'clock.
March 19th at 9 o'clock, March 19th of 26 at 9 a.m. So you'll go down the hall, you'll pay your 200, you'll get your notice, you'll go over to probation, you'll be instructed, okay?
And they'll explain how to, you just go to the clerk to pay.
I'm gonna trust this is never going to happen,
Oh, no.
okay? All right, good enough. Good luck. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hey, thanks for watching. Please do let us know in the comments what you thought of this video. If you'd like to support what we do here, the best way to do it is to pick up some of our merch. You can find it at courtroomfiles.com.